Hello, I'm Peter Towers. Welcome to this special edition of Accountant's Minute. Today I'm going to discuss with you the Australian government's coronavirus stimulus package that the Prime Minister, Scott Morrison, released last Thursday. The government has announced a package of $17.6 billion, and their target is to spend $11 billion of this package by the 30th of June 2020, thus creating a significant cash injection into the economy, which the government hopes will assist businesses to be able to survive during what is undoubtedly going to be a very difficult period. As accountants, I think we can all appreciate that many of our small and medium-sized enterprise clients are going to encounter significant difficulties during this period, especially when you look at the ongoing events that have unfolded over the weekend, with major sporting events being curtailed. The government encouraging groups of no more than 500 people to ever assemble in any one location, with our borders effectively being closed. People having to go into a 14-day quarantine period when they enter Australia from anywhere now in the world. The first part of the government stimulus package for small, medium enterprises applies to businesses with turnovers up to $50 million. These businesses will be able to receive a 50% reduction in the cost of their PAYG tax payments on behalf of employees for the period March to June 2020, with an upper limit of $25,000. It is expected that this subsidy from the Australian government will be processed once the business has lodged its business activity statement, and the adjustment will be made by the Australian Taxation Office relating to the amount of money that the business has to pay. The second benefit relates to small businesses with less than 20 full-time equivalent employees who are employing apprentices. The government was very concerned that thousands of apprentices might have been laid off because of the tightening economic circumstances caused by coronavirus. And for this reason, they have introduced a subsidy for those eligible businesses, whereby they will receive a contribution from the government equivalent to 50% of the cost of an apprentice's wage, up to a maximum contribution of $7,000 per apprentice per quarter. The government anticipates that this support will run for at least a 12-month period. The third benefit for businesses relates to expenditure of up to $150,000 on the purchase of assets, that there will now be an instant tax write-off for the purchase of that asset. There is no limit on the number of assets that can be acquired, so a business could well spend considerably more than $150,000 in the acquisition of assets. This benefit is only applicable to the 30th of June 2020. So it's very important that you communicate this to your clients and indicate to them that if they have got the ability to fund the purchase of a new asset, now is undoubtedly the time to do so, because the benefit that had been available up until last Wednesday night for an instant asset write-off was only $30,000, and it only applied to businesses with turnovers up to $50 million, whereas the upper turnover limit for this extension is $500 million. So it is a significant widening of the benefit of this subsidy that is available to a whole range of businesses that were not eligible for it previously. There is also a 50% accelerated depreciation rate available on any other asset purchases, and this is available for 15 months through to 30 June 2021. Many of your clients will benefit from the one-off cash payment that is being made to a whole range of pensioners and people receiving Centrelink benefits. They will be paid $750 around 31 March. And the government anticipates that a significant amount of that money, something over $4.5 billion, will find its way back into the economy very quickly. So the government is encouraging the recipients of that payment to spend it as soon as they can as part of the injection of cash into the economy. It will be interesting to see if the government has to make further packages available to support businesses in the coming months. You can find out full details of the packages that ESS BIZTOOLS has available to assist businesses through these difficult times by visiting our website, www.essbiztools.com.au, survival in difficult times /learn more, where we have a whole range of materials and products that are available to assist accountants to deliver value-added services to assist your clients to survive these difficult times. If you have any questions, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. We are presenting a special webinar on the coronavirus package from the government this coming Thursday at 11:30 a.m. AEST, 12:30 p.m. AEDT. If you wish to register, please go to our website, www.essbiztools.com.au. Have a great day. Goodbye.